Personal pronouns. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are called personal pronouns. They take the place of noun and are used as the subject of the verb in a sentence. Examples: My name is David. I am the youngest in the family. My name is David. Here I, the subject of a sentence, is the person. Lucy, you are a good dog. In this sentence, you as the subject of a sentence is the animal that does the action shown by the verb. My family and I live in a big city. We have an apartment. In this sentence, the subject of a person, I and we. Good morning, children. You may sit down now. The subject of a sentence is a person, you. They are Peter, Lucky and Jenny. The subject of a sentence is the person, Peter, Lucky and Jenny. This is my mother. She is a teacher. The subject of a sentence is a person, she.